I am tapping into someone's Kundalini that is rising. You may want to check when it is that the moon is in your sun sign. This weekend is for our fellow Taurus. Welcome, beautiful soul. Happy equinox, happy spring. May the return of the light bless you in the most divine way. May you fully understand how divine goddess Kundalini technology truly works. For her to rise and burn the debris, the traumas, the pain, the trapped emotions stored in your hips, in your sacral chakra. Know that every cell of your system, encoded in your DNA, your tissues, fascia, nervous system, contain this souvenir, these memories that are trapping your system, that are not allowing your body to experience the abundance, the joy, the love that your soul craves. Kundalini, Mother Kundalini is here as a divine consciousness to rise up to your spine, to burn all of these trapped emotions. For you to align with your true authentic self, your true divine essence, your true abundant nature, for you to come back to God, to suppress and banish, transmute separation, fear between you and God, creation, the Most High, source frequency. For you to become God and manifest effortlessly. Create naturally. This is all the topics that we love to talk about on this channel. My name is Sophia. I am here as a facilitator for you to transmute. I release codes, downloads, and activation through sacred chants, sacred frequency. I'm helping you dig deeper into yourself. It's not always beautiful. It's not always what it is that you think you are seeking, but it is the truth. And as soon as you're freeing yourself from these traumas, from this pain, from this trapped emotion, trapped memories, you're allowing the new to come. You're shedding the skin of the cobra. You're allowing a true authentic self to come, to activate your soul mission, to activate the real self. You're making space to welcome your gifts, your talents, your abilities that you have been accumulated through time and space. Whether it was your soul or your ancestors, you have worked so hard. And now, the universe, God's source frequency, is allowing you to complete yourself only if you have the courage to face the fears, to transmute them. This is your only doorway to freedom, success, and abundance. We're talking long term. Here, we're talking eternal freedom. You're here on this plan to liberate your soul once and for all, once and for eternity. Lineage, you are here to free your lineage, for you to reap the award, for you to reap all the wealth, for you to be able to share the most powerful relationship. Otherwise, you are not aligned with your true authentic self. You cannot pretend to be in a relationship if you are not truly yourself. Otherwise, it involves that the person in front of you will not be 100% clear. I have quotes from Mary Magdalene to help free some debris connected to a lack of forgiveness, for you to have suffered, for you to have been betrayed, for you to have been rejected, abandoned, humiliated, injustice. You are here to forgive, envelop all of these memories with the highest light, the highest love, for you to ascend, for your Kundalini to rise. Here are some chants to activate your Kundalini. I hope you feel it right. If you want to dig deeper, you should check my website. I offer powerful masterclass, activations, codes for light workers. This is life-changing. There is no going back. If you want to know the truth, if you feel you're ready, then this is the time. Friendship, nature, you're a child of divine nature. You are a golden child. Oh my God, it's coming back. Your soulmate might be a friend also, or first friendship, then more. Transmute nature. Spend as much time in nature. I love you. Until next time, namaste.